Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out 3 different cases from Speck for the upcoming iPhone 11 Pro. My iPhone 11 Pro should be here on Friday on launch day, hopefully. It is on its way here right now. Speck sent these cases out for me to check out, so I'm going to go ahead and take a look at them. We're going to unbox them. I wanted to share these to you guys early before I got my phone, just so you could see them and maybe see something that you might like if you're getting the iPhone 11 Pro. These are for the Pro Max to be specific, but they are available for the 5.8-inch Pro as well. So I wanted to make the video early just to show you guys the cases. That way if you wanted to order one, you could order one in time for your phone. That way you can have a good case for it when it gets here. So the first thing is the Speck Presidio grip. This is one of my favorite cases because of the grip. I have this on my OnePlus 7 Pro. I've had it on my iPhone XS Max. I've had it all the way back since the iPhone 4S days. This one is a, it looks purple on camera, but it's a navy blue. The light is just making it look purplish. It is not. It is navy blue, a dark blue. Very nice looking case. I will show these to you guys in the phone or on the phone as well when I get my phone, obviously. But that is what it looks like. You can definitely tell that the iPhone, the 11 Pro is going to be a little bit thicker. It's kind of noticeable in the case. But it feels good in the hand, and good overall size. Same as my my XS Max, obviously. So there is that one. Right here we have the Presidio Pro, which is similar to the Presidio grip. It just doesn't have the grips on it. The back is a, it's not a super slippery material. It is a nice kind of matte material. Very nice. Similar in size to the Presidio grip, just without the rubber grips on it. All these cases do now feature antimicrobial protection, so they are supposed to stay nice and clean and help prevent germs and stuff like that from collecting on your case. And then right here we have the Speck Presidio Stay Clear. Stays clear guaranteed. This will be the cleanest case you ever own. If it doesn't stay clear, we'll send you a new one. So this case will not yellow or anything like that, which is a big issue that I find on the cheap eBay clear cases and stuff like that, is that they yellow over time. So these cases are not supposed to yellow. They guarantee that. They will send you another one if it starts yellowing and doesn't stay clear. So those are the 3 cases that I have from Speck right there. Very, very nice cases. Thank you a lot to Speck for sending those out for review and for me to check out. I have some upcoming cases from Patchworks as well that they sent me. They sent me their that one's just a flat black one, and then this one is the wallet, which holds 3 cards and also has a stand built into it. So we'll be checking those out in a future video and checking those out on the phone when it arrives as well. I will leave the link to these on Amazon, where you can pick one up down in the description below. As always, this has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.